Phil, want to say hi?
Hello, folks.
Happy Sunday and a happy new week, everyone. We are at West Wind Farm Apple Orchards. Before this, we were at Green Acres, so I'll pop in some footage right here. Alright, here are the donuts we got. They're actually fry cakes. I got this orange one. These are so yummy. I also got this hot cider. It's so yummy.
So we just pulled up at, I don't actually know what this place is called. Blue Bayern Cidery, U-Pick. We're going to pick some Honeycrisp apples and some Golden Delicious apples, but we also had a snack. We had just stopped over at Green Acres and gotten some cider and some apple cider fry cakes, which I've never spent any time in the fall anywhere else, but I feel like they're like a Western New York kind of tradition, maybe a Northeastern thing. But they're delicious. We just had a couple of those, and Pauline got an orange frosted one. I got some chocolate frosted, and then we got plain, and the chocolate frosted were trash.
They were not trash.
Well, they weren't even nearly as good as the
plain just shines.
Yeah, the plain were fantastic. They were nice and crispy, and they were still warm. They were a lot fresher than the other ones, so it wasn't really a fair competition. But
I think if you have the plain and save them for later, they're going to be terrible. But if you have the frosted, the frosting adds a little something later.
Yeah, maybe. That's a possibility. We'll see when I eat them later.
And now we just picked some apples. Woo! So I'll pop in some of that footage right here. Phil's good to have around because he can reach the tall ones that no one else can. Oh look, it's a baby one! That one's for Zeus!
This is for the DVC bros.
Phil, do you have fun picking apples?
Yep, I came in very handy.
He does. He's so tall. Hi friends, it's dinner time. Phil and I had a lot of fun today. Apple picking and doing fall things. Now Zeus is home with us and I'm gonna make something for Dins. So we are gonna have this turkey and mushroom stir fry. Looks yummy. right, here is the final results. It looks really good. It smells really good too. Has a nice Asian flair to it, stir fry like. Hi friends, and happy Wednesday. Phil is home and we are headed to dinner. We're going to Blue Ridge Diner, which is pretty close to our house. It's a diner, but I don't know, it's a little bit nicer than a diner, I'd say, and they have a pretty good menu. I am excited to eat some dins.
What's wrong with diners?
Nothing wrong with diners. Sometimes the food isn't that great at diners.
Oh, well.
And it's, I don't know.
This isn't just like a normal diner.
Right.
It's better than, it's not like typical diner food, it's much better.
What makes it better?
It's quality of the food. The chef does a really good job. All the ingredients they use are super fresh and super high quality, so.
Sorry, we're on some bumpy terrain right now. What'd you get? It looks amazing.
It's French onion soup.
Yum. And look at this bread. I don't know if you can see it, but it is steaming. Phil can't even touch it. And then here is my salad. I didn't know which dressing I want, so she brought me both. I got citrus vinaigrette here, and then this is a dill vinaigrette. All right, and then this is our favorite quesadilla in all of Rochester / ever. So good. We get the pico on the side though, because it has jalapenos in it. And then they do jalapeno poppers here.
And the ultimate irony.
What?
We don't eat the jalapenos in the quesadillas, but we eat these.
That is the ultimate irony. So their jalapeno poppers are a little bit different. They come with, what is it, grape jelly?
Raspberry.
Raspberry jelly. Oh, and it is so good. You need to try this next time you have some jalapeno poppers. Phil got a delicious fish fry. Looks really good, Phil. And then I got, what did I get, Phil? The chicken Madeira, I think. It's got like vegetables and a little mozzarella on it. Like a mushroom sauce. And then it's over garlic mash.
We just finished having dinner. We're about to pay the bill and get out of here, but the food here is just, like we were saying on the drive home, it's just so simple. I had the beer battered fish fry with waffle fries, and the fish is so fresh, and it just, I don't know if clean is the right word, it's just not fishy, it's very light and tender, just a great flavor. If I had any criticism, they really kind of make the breading thick to where, you know, even I feel like, hey man, maybe I don't need this much breading in my life, so I had to pull some of that off, but everything was good. Even the house-made tartar sauce is delicious, so just another fantastic meal here at Blue Ridge Diner. I really liked my meal too. The chicken dish was so good, and I think also one of my favorite things are the dressings here. The salad dressings are delicious. Back at home now, and I have a project I gotta get done. I finally got blinds custom cut to fit this window. So I gotta put them in. There is the finished product. I am not crazy about putting this together, but I think the color matches pretty well.
Happy Saturday, guys. We are at Powers Farm Market to get some pumpkins. So what kind of donut did you get?
Glazed apple fry cake.
Looks good. You can see the little bits of apple in it, right? Yeah. And I got pumpkin. They got a little display you can take pictures, and Phil and I just took one. I'll put it right here. All right, back home now. I wanted to show you a couple of the things that we got at Powers Farm Market. So the first thing we got was this salty bread. It looks so delicious, and we're gonna make a little charcuterie with it later. And then we got this fresh baked cherry pie. Phil loves cherry pie. We also got a rhubarb pie for my parents. Had a little sliver. It's so delicious. And we got more Honeycrisp apples. They are our favorite type of apples. So good. So we got a little bag of them because we're all out from apple picking last week. And finally, they had this delicious carrot cake roll. Alright guys, we just ended up closing out the night with a charcuterie night on the patio. This is why filming takes so long, and editing. We had a charcuterie night on the patio. It was fun, relaxing, and that was pretty much it for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give us a subscribe because we have a lot other great content coming your way. Disney videos, in-park videos, pins, and of course these weekly vlogs. I would also love if you gave this video a thumbs up. And comment below, tell me what was your favorite part about our week this week. Until next time guys, peace, love, and kwaherini.